Alright, jumping into 25 Leaf in the Game, used box break number 3. This is our last box of the shop. I think we might try and get some more. This is pretty fire. It's been a lot of fun. Throw your letters right up there. And good luck, everybody. These boxes have been absolutely killer. See if I can get it good. Here we go. Alright, good luck, everybody. And starting off with in the game, Los Angeles, Kirk Gibson, Mike Marshall, Oral Hershiser, and Mike Ciocia. Let's see if we have to do a random for that. We got 2 M's, which is James, and then K spot, Blackjack, O spot, James. James taking that one down. Do we have the Daryl up on eBay? I thought we took all of them down. I'll do it as soon as I finish this break. Next up, we got a game used. Ken Griffey, Ichiro, and Randy Johnson. 9/35. That is sweet. That is sweet. See, K spot, Blackjack, I spot, Michael, R spot, Blackjack taking it down. Nice work, Blackjack. And little Will Clark. A game used 5/99. Oh, sorry, 5/30. Can't read. W spot. Blackjack taking it down. Comes our auto. And Nolan Ryan. The video game stats. Blackjack. Crushing it, dude. That is sick. Yeah, 5/30 on the Nolan Ryan. Our last card. How about a little Roberto Clemente, Willie Stargell. 3,000 hit, 475 home run club. Yeah, 3 of 4. W spot Blackjack, R spot Blackjack. Doing work, brother. That is going to do it, guys. Last box in the shop. Appreciate everyone getting into it. We'll see you.